Hello, today we are going to see how you can track or how you can find your device such as phone, or how you can locate your phone where it is by using your Google account. You must have Gmail account installed in your phone or in your lost phone, and go to Google, type find my phone or my device, then open find my device. This is Android. Write your Gmail account. I'm going to use Jeff the phone that has Gmail, which is Jeff-4, and I'm going to write Gmail password. Then it is contacting my phone, which is Google Pixel. You see, it is already located at TTC server. And then I'm going to play sound on that phone. Ring requested. It is already ringing. Then here I may stop the sound. This is the phone I already tracked, and I'm going to secure device. Here, click on secure device. Secure device. This is the message which will be displayed on the screen of my phone. Bring back my phone. And here it is the phone which will be contacted. It is already locked. You see, the phone is locked. The message bring back my phone. This is the call owner. I may click here to call the owner of that phone. This reset factory reset device. You can click on set if you want to delete all files which are inside in your phone if you don't need to be public. Thank you. This will help you to locate your phone. Your phone must have internet, Google account, and enabled with location. Thank you.